Good evening to everybody. On 30th September 2023, TIPRA Party is organizing peaceful and democratic movement. There will be 12 hours at this area TIPRA Bond. This bond is organized as a token of our expression. As you all know, the TIPRA people, the native people of Tripura, have suffered many years. They were marginalized in terms of economy. They were marginalized population, education, and every sphere of their life. Therefore, the TIPRA Party is raising the voice, demanding separate state, to create new separate state under Article 2 and 3 of Indian Constitution, which we call now Greater Tripura Land. I appealed and request to all the right-thinking citizens of Tripura to cooperate, to extend their helping hand to make the bond successful. As you all know, the people of Tripura is a simple and peace-loving people. Therefore, the TIPRA Party is organizing peaceful movement, peaceful demonstration, just to ventilate, just to express their genuine demand. Thank you all. Hambai Rumka.